Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be putting some work in the new project here, the 79 Chevy C10, aka Mean Green. So it's going to be a quick video on just seeing if we throw some parts at it, what we can do to get this 305 to fire without spending a tremendous amount of money. So I did some work off camera once I got the truck here. Once I got it in the garage, I noticed some bad fumes of gas building throughout the house over the last couple days, and lo and behold, I came out to the truck and noticed, oh geez, looks like the original tank has rusted through and it's dripping gas on the floor. So this was where the tank once was. As you can see, there's the sending unit, it's removed, and it leaked, I'd say, a small pool of gas, and enough to smoke up the house, that's for sure. So this is out of the way now. No big deal, it's going to be replaced at some point anyway. So what we're going to do to test if this thing will fire is simply hook up a fuel line directly to the fuel pump to a jerry can, which will rest here or something, and see if we can get it to fire off. So another thing I did off camera was just replace the dead battery with a fresh die-hard one from my local parts store. So this will obviously give us a good enough crank to see if we can get it to fire. And of course I can't sit. Let's go. She lives. Yes. 305 power. Wow, I can't believe how easy that thing fired up. It was like it wasn't even sitting at all. So, good battery. I don't think the fuel pump is taking as much fuel as it needs to be. I gotta take a look at that, because I think my little fuel line jerry rig over here wasn't delivering enough fuel, or wasn't picking it up at all. But I did put some brake clean down the carburetor bowl, and it was able to fire, and you guys did hear it run and idle, and actually sound pretty healthy too. So this is good news, knowing that the 305's good for now, because chances are I'm going to be leaving it and taking care of more of the body work, frame work, underbody work, and deal with this at a later day. So right now I'm in the cab of the truck, and what I did different this time is I rearranged the fuel line that I put in the jerry can there, so it's sitting in more fuel. And I'm going to see if I can turn the key a little bit more, and without any quick start or anything like that down the bowl of the carburetor, see if we can get this thing to fire and start taking proper fuel. Put this on, give it a few pumps, see if it'll start drawing some fuel. Listen to that, sounds amazing. Woo! Got manifold leak. She's idling. She's alive. Wow. Okay, I gotta shut this thing off before the carbon monoxide kills me, but there you have it, guys. 79 C10, 305, started right up. Nothing but a good battery, a jerry-rigged fuel line to the jerry can, and she's alive. So, anyways, thanks for watching. We're gonna be doing more work on this thing in the future. We're gonna start the dismantling process next, because now that I know that the engine is somewhat together, I can start to build it from the frame up now, taking, like, eventually take the cab off, take the fenders, everything like that, and we're gonna scrape and sand down and paint the frame and repair the rest. Anyway, thanks for watching.